Hi guys, today we are making scrunchies using a very nice fluffy plush yarn. This yarn I bought from Aldi. You can see it is just couple rounds of the scrunchies. You can stop on one round. It will still look great. Here I've got more stitches on this blue one and it is more wavy. And the purple one I've got less stitches and it is less wavy, so it is all up to you what you want. And you will need obviously elastic band. You can find it in a pound shop or accessories, plush yarn, and 5.5mm crochet hook. First let's attach the yarn to elastic. Just make a knot. That's all. Insert your hook inside elastic band, pick the yarn and pull it out. You've got the loop, and make chain 2, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Now I will do half double crochet, so yarn over, into the loop, pick the yarn, pull it out, yarn over and pull it through at once. You can make a double crochets, but I prefer to do half double crochet with this yarn. Use your magic finger as well to hold yarn over, magic finger, yarn over, and pull through all at once. Yarn over, into the loop, pick the yarn, pull it out and pull through 3 loops. Yarn over, into the loop, pick the yarn over and pull it through. Use your finger to hold yarn over and create large long stitches. Try to pull them the same high. Sometimes you can hold it right onto the elastic to help it to pull through all 3 loops, like that. You will find the position that will be better for you, that will make it easier for you to work. And this is the stitch that goes quite fast. You can make this scrunchie in no time if you want. Of course you can use double crochet on this. You could have switched those layers. First you could have create the first round of single crochet and then go half double crochet on top. You can leave the scrunchies like this with one only round, or you can add another round of single crochet. I will show you in a minute. And here on the screen you can see my other creations you may be interested in. You can see mushrooms, you can see little keychains. This is very funny thing. You can insert the keys, and when you pull the tag you will hide the key in. And now let's finish first round of this half double crochet. If you've got enough stitches, you think, just insert your hook in one of the top stitch anywhere you like, pull the yarn through and pull it right through the first loop, and this is slip stitch. You connected the round. For second round, make chain 1 and 2 single crochets in each stitch. This is single crochet. Insert your hook into the loop, pick the yarn, pull it out, yarn over and pull it through. This is very small stitch that will give our scrunchies a finished look. Usually I prefer to put 2 single crochets in each stitch, but if you feel that it is too much, just place 1 single crochet, so you can go with 2, 2, 1. And to finish this round, insert your hook into the initial chain 1, pick the yarn and pull it through, and then pull this through first loop. I am always making chain 1 to finish my crochet project. It will secure the last stitch will not go undone. Pull the yarn through and then pull again to tighten this chain 1 stitch. This is it, and I will show you how to hide the end. You want to finish this nicely, just insert your hook between the stitches and pick the yarn and pull it through. And then you can insert your hook inside single crochet stitch. I've inserted it inside so it's not visible on the other side. Pick the yarn and pull it through. And this is how we finish crochet project, by hiding the ends or weaving ends. The rest of it you can cut. And this is one nice little project is done. It can be lovely with plush yarn, but it can be still lovely with any chunky yarn or decay yarn or anything. Nice quick project. Hope you enjoyed it. Put thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check my other videos, and bye for now, guys. See you later.